Okay, so this time of year, it's important to go out and look and see how charged things are getting quickly. It's 21 degrees this morning, very cold. The chickens didn't want to come out of the coop, but it's actually not too bad in there. But there's no steam yet, so it is not ready. Just not ready. I should see billowing clouds of steam in there when it's ready. This morning we have our first little bit of steam on the inside of the bed. You can see the heat. And this is not the coldest morning we've had. So it's not that there's the difference in temperature between the mulch and the outside air, so that it's just like kind of ambient heat. I've checked on colder mornings and there has been no steam and no condensation on the inside. And so what I need to do now is look at it and see what does it need now. For one thing, we have a lot of air coming in from the side, and while that is okay, the more I can block that, the more the heat can build up, especially on the north side where the wind is coming from. So what I need to do is put more mulch in, and then I need to charge it again with more manure, more rabbit manure, more water, and I need to keep layering it. And if it seems like a waste, I don't think there's ever a waste if you're getting motion and you're outside getting fresh air. So even though we will get food off of this, I think the biggest thing is that I'm outside enjoying life. Okay, so I'm going to put on my gloves and I'm going to move these seed trays. This is why I have the seed trays in there in boxes. And I'm smelling that ammonia a little bit. You're going to smell some ammonia off your bed. So here's my seeds. I'm going to move them. That way I'm not dumping anything on them. This manure was kindly donated by Straw Family Farm. Make sure to go check them out. They are giving away a couple of lambs this year. So Straw Family Farm, I can't remember what their website is, a little farm on the prairie or something like that. But thank you, Christy. And for those of you who are wanting to get into sheep, they are doing a contest. So, rather than wasting wood that I could use for building something, sorry, my camera's significantly lower than I am this morning. Rather than wasting wood on the sides, what I'm going to do instead is put cardboard in the sides to hold some of that wind and air from coming in. If I had some really heavy wood pieces and some heavy wet manure, make a huge difference, but I don't have that right now. Okay, I don't want to be putting a tool in here like a pitchfork that would tug the plastic. So the big box is going to have to go on the open bed over here rather than me trying to get a pitchfork and pitch it in. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to go get the rest of the mulch out of the driveway. Now, The way that I prefer to do this is not with the chicken wire, but this is the traditional way that the lady who originally did it. She did it with wire. The reason I don't like it is because I feel like a lot of my valuable material is coming through the holes, and if you're still in the middle of a cold season, you're losing a lot of heat outwards. So I'm kind of tempted even just to take cardboard and like staple it to the outside, because it will deteriorate, but it's going to take some time to deteriorate, and in that time that it is deteriorating, it is holding heat in. So I'm really tempted just to go get some, to get my staple gun and staple cardboard to it. I'm not sure that it'll hold it securely enough in the wind though, so let's see, do I have any little strip of wood you can use to tack it in place is a good idea, and I think I'm going to do that. I have enough cardboard right now that I think that it would work pretty well. I need to put some more rabbit manure tea on it. I know I look a little bit crazy doing this, but the thing is, what you don't want in a high wind is flapping. So cardboard will do just as well as plywood as long as I don't have the screws in so far that they're, that the heads are going through the cardboard. I need to give a little bit of a back off and a little space there. But as long as I don't have an edge open somewhere, it will be just fine, just like the plastic. This should keep some of that warmth inside the bed a little bit better. So any kind of heavy physical labor or something you just don't want to do, like my mountain of mulch here, I find that if I will do it listening to a really good audiobook, it makes the time fly, and then I don't have to go to the gym that day.